What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you how I was able to generate the motion control video you are seeing on your screen right now. I will show you how I was able to generate it for free using this particular website I'm going to show you, and I'll be making use of Kling AI. And guys, this platform currently it is very much free. So at the point of recording this particular video, this particular trick is actually working. So just seize the opportunity to get to use it right now. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website you're going to be using. Some of you might be familiar with this particular website, but just follow me through as I'm going to show you how I went about generating the motion control video. So now once you're here, what you need to do, you can just simply just click on sign up or log in. Now going to be logging in with, you can either decide to log in with email or with Google. So let me just pick it, just use Google for now. So that is, once you log in, it's going to redirect you and bring you to an interface like this. So now once you log in, watch just you can just do that. I'm just going to skip. Now you notice to be bringing you all this pop-up. So what you can just simply just do, I can just click on this to close it up. So now once you check here, you will see they will giving you 60 credits. Guys, you'll be given 60 credits. Now what you can just do, you can 60 credits on it. Once you raise that, and you can claim order, they give you extra 60 credits every day. So every daily, once you log into this website, you get 60 credits. Guys, just take note of that. So now I'm going to now click on claim, then just solve the puzzle that will be thrown to you. So let's just wait for it to load up. All right, now you can see it's loading. Now what you just do, just match this with the correct one. So this is the correct one. I just match it with the correct one and leave it. Now okay, verification failed. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I think this is all right. Now you can see passed, and because I've gotten extra 120 credits, and I need to use the 60 credits within 3 days. That's the bonus they gave to me. I have to use it within 3 days. If not, it's going to go off. So now you just click on got it. Now you have 120 credits. For some accounts it might be, or should I say for some location it might be more than this. For some can't really say, but from as I did my own, I was given one. I have total 120 credits so far. So now what you're going to do, you can see from this status you have a lot you can do on this website. So but I'm going to be focusing more on my, so now what you're going to do, I'm going to just click on this new project. Let's click on new, then it's going to redirect you to another interface. Now what I'm going to now do, once this opens up, now you can see I have something like interface like this. Your video is the first thing you are going to bring in. Just take note of that. So I'm going to bring in my video, upload video. And that is one thing you should note. The video you are going to upload have to be within 15 seconds. You get me? It has to be within 15 seconds duration. So that is what you can do. Just click here to bring in your video. So I'm going to be able to bring in the video I want to use. I want to make use of. All right, now you can see the video is uploading. Guys, as I said earlier, you have to make use of 15 seconds video. So it shouldn't be more than 15 seconds. If it is more than 15 seconds, what you can simply do, you can split it into two. You can split it into 2 different videos. So and then make use of it. So if you want to, what you can simply just do, like the software I used to split, like this video was about 18 seconds. When the video I got was about 18 seconds. What I did was I make use of Format Factory. So you can simply just download it as you. So this was the tool I used. Format Factory was what I just downloaded. Just download it online and search for it online, download it. So once you download it and install it, once you open it, you come to where we have this clip, this fast clip. That was what I made use of. Click on this fast clip. Then from here you are going to bring in the video you want to cut. Let me say, for example, this is this one is 15 seconds also. Let's see, okay, so the one I use, and let's say I want to use this one is more than 15 seconds. Let's say I want to use this particular video, but I think, okay, this is more than 15 seconds, this 25 seconds. As I want to use it, I'll just bring it in. Now once I bring it in, you can see this is how it is. Now on this side, just ensure you make this to be 15. That's all. Once you make this 15, it's going to give you what you need. Now I'm going to now click on OK. Now once you do that, it's going to bring you to interface like this. Then you just click on accept. So once you click on accept, you just click on start. This was like some other ones I did. initially. Conversions I need. This one is just once you click on start, it's going to process and do. Let me just click on start. It's going to be very fast. So I see it's done generating my video. So if you want to see where it is, you can just click on this upload folder and you can see this is the video over here. This is the video over here, 15 seconds. I should play it. You see that. Okay, this is this other one. Now let me play this. All right, you can see it. You can see the total length is 15 seconds. You can see the total length of this video is 15 seconds. You can see it over here, 15 seconds. That's just how I wanted to show you how to trim in case you don't know how to trim it, or you can use in the video editor. I just cut it out and make it exactly 15 seconds. I make use of it. That's all. You can also go through that route. Now, my video, you can see my video has been uploaded. There's the video I want to use. Now, what I'm going to do, we can come over here and under here, remember, ensure you are on free creation. You are on free creation. Now, I'm going to click on this image and upload the image I want to use. So you must have gotten probably generated your image. That's the model image you want to do. So I have my image already generated. So what I will do is to bring the image in. Now this is the image I want to make use of. So I will bring this image into the feed. So while the image is uploading, now we on this place we have prompt. I'm going to now add my prompt. So now let me just go ahead and bring my prompt. Yes, I've added my prompts. What you just do, you can just screenshot, take pause this video and type out this, or I'll be dropping this particular prompt I use in the description box. Do check it out. Also, guys, try and join my WhatsApp community. That's a group I created on WhatsApp for discussions and questions and answers. So just try and join the group. The link is in the comment section. I mean, the link is in the description. Just check it out and join the group so that you don't miss out on things. And well, if you have any personal questions you want to ask, then simply ask over here. So now I'm going to know, you can see my image has finished uploading, my video is uploaded. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is to now click on this generate. So you can see from here we just click everything the way it is. Now I'm going to click on this set. Once I click on this send, as you can see, it's going to redirect me to this per se. It's now generating my video. So you just allow what you're going to just do, you just patiently just wait. That's the only thing you just need to do now. Just wait for this to finish generating and process it, to finish processing and generating everything for you, so that you can see activating workflow and it's going down. So it's going to go ahead and do everything for you. So let's just wait for it to finish generating the video for us. And guys, if you exhaust your credit probably on this particular account, what you can simply just do it the normal way we normally do, you can just simply create a new account and log in and use the new account to generate more videos. So let me just wait for this particular video to finish generating. Alright guys, you can see it's done generating my video. So what you can just do, you can just click here to just want to watch the video. You can see it over here. I see this is from this video, then with this comment and it propose. Guys, you now see, can you see what it produces? You see the magic. Do you see sense? Do you see the magic? Do you see what it produces? So you can just right click on the video to click on right download to download the video for you. So once you click on download, it's going to start downloading the video. But one thing you should note now is that, so one thing you should notice, if you should just do right click and download, it's going to come with one annoying watermark. So which you might not want it on your video. So the best thing you can do, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that watermark. So the best thing you can do, so for those of you saying that this video was generated using Kling, you can see from here, you can see this is the version of the Kling. It's actually this is what it's used to generate this particular video you are seeing over here. So now, as I said, for you to download this video without watermark, what you can just do, I'll be pinning the link to an extension. So once you just get to let me just open it up. So I'll be pinning the link to this website where you can see from here. You also just come here, come over to where you have this. You can see this is a particular extension. So what you can just scroll down a little and you're going to see install extension. Just install it on your Chrome browser and that will be all. Or you can simply just click on and add to extension. But just once you do install the extension, once you install extension, it's going to take you over here to now add the extension to your Chrome browser. So install video downloader or install image downloader. So it's there for you. What you're going to be doing is ensure you install video downloader. Or you can just go and come out to Google and just search for that video downloader. Video downloader will just search for this. Once you search for this, it's going to see, just add it to your Chrome extension. So it can be on either Edge browser, any browser you're using, but ensure you just get, this is the particular one you're going to add. You can say I have mine already added. Now once you add yours, you can see you will be seeing it here. Now on this part, let me just close this. But now on this particular, you can see this is the video you generated. You are going to, if you click here, you're going to see a list of a lot of videos. Now, so what you can just do, just search for it here. Just search. You can see it. Not like search. It's going to bring up any video on this particular page. So what if in case it doesn't bring out a video, what it can simply do to just reload. Just reload, and it's going to load up and bring out the list of current and many videos on that particular page. It's going to load them out. Alright guys, you can see mine has been loaded. So now once you come over here, you just click here, you're going to see this. So once, okay, that's the first one, 2 videos already loaded. So now what you are going to just do is you can play this to see which particular one. Okay, this is the one it generated for. So this is the one I want to download. So what you can do is we just click here and click on download. So once you click on download, it's going to download this video for you without your watermark. So that is just the way you will be, okay, you might be able to get your video downloaded without that watermark, that particular video. So guys, I just wanted to show you out, and you can use this particular plug and extension on some many other sites. You can also try it out. It's going to work for you. So I just wanted to show you guys how to use this particular platform to generate your motion control videos, and also how to download it without the watermark. So guys, I want you to try this particular platform out and let me know your take. If you were able to generate your video, and if it was able to generate your video for me, please, I just want you to give me a nice comment in the comment section and let me know if it was able to generate your video for you. So that's really all for this particular video.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.